like right away. There it is. All right. So first question, group meeting quiz. Okay. Okay, so this one is just a definition in the textbook. And so I don't know, did you already do some of this, or like I don't want to be super redundant?
No, that's okay. Yeah, I haven't gone through it yet. But in the textbook, I think it's saying it's used to quantify the direction and strength of the relationship.
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
So
Sounds
then the next one, if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, the other one tends to decrease. I feel like that's usually the relationship for all these things.
Yeah.
But let me just make sure. Yeah. Okay. And then the next one, the effects of outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant. And on that one, I also looked at the textbook, and there's like a part where it has like the 3 graphs, and there's like a little dot that's the outlier, and it'll tell you, oh, it's negative or it's positive. And so it's basically saying that even if all the dots are on one line, if one of them is out here, because the correlation coefficient is trying to make everything one line, it also thinks that the outlier has to be part of it. So it does, like, it is significant. It's going to throw off your data.
Okay.
So the effect of the outlier is not significant.
Which picture was that? That was just the 2.1.1 picture?
That was, let's see, lesson 21. I want to make something up, so let's see, it's coming up. Okay, that is where it's like it says 2.2.2 effects of outliers, and there's the 3 yellow boxes.
Okay.
Figure 10, figure 11, figure 12. So yeah, it's just like on this one, so correlation is R. And like the first one for figure 10, it says negative 0.37. And it's fairly close to a line on the side, but it's saying, oh, it's a negative direction of 0.37, and it's basically just because of that outlier.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the next questions. So I don't know if you already have that data up, but when you do, let me know. You're also going to use Excel, and I used the second. It's still Unit 2, though. I don't think we had to use Unit 3 yet.
Okay. Yeah, so I've got the data up.
Sweet. And then the course resources, Excel tools, and Units 2 and 4 is what we're going to use.
Okay. Sounds good.
Mine's still loading. I don't know if yours is already good and running, but basically you're going to use for this unit, for like this chapter, it's the linear regression on that Excel tool.
Okay.
Where is that on linear regression? Yeah.
Got it.
And then you see how it's like variable X and variable Y. So you get your data from Old Faithful, I think it was. I don't know what it was.
Yeah.
And then, yep, just put that first column just in the same order. For this one, I noticed that for the next one, like we're going to do another one, it doesn't tell you, but if you do them in the order that the data shows you, it's wrong. So.
Huh. Okay, so I just ran the numbers.
Hey guys, sorry.
Hello, welcome.
Hello. Oh my gosh, it's been one thing after another at this crazy house. Sorry.
No, that's
That's
fine.
all right.
Okay. All right, where are you guys at?
We are. Where are we?
We can catch you up from the beginning. Did you already go through it, or we can?
No, I haven't.
That's fine.
I opened the quiz.
Okay. So 3 it's A, correct?
Yeah.
All
Well,
right.
I don't know. For me, it's just in another order. It's the direction and the strength of the linear relation.
Of the
Yeah.
nonlinear? Yeah.
Or of the linear.
Wait,
Of the linear.
Linear.
A is nonlinear.
Yeah. So do the one that's linear.
Oh,
Yeah.
so B? Wait,
No,
sorry. No, C?
so yes.
Direction and strength of the linear relationship.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 4 was the other variable tends to decrease.
Hmm.
Okay.
And 5 is false.
Okay.
And that's as far as we got.
Okay.
Okay. And then for question 6, the one we're on now, it's got data that you're going to pull up, and then you're going to use Excel Unit 2. And then it's under the Unit 2, it's the one that says linear regression. That's where you're going to put in that data.
Okay. I forgot to pull up Excel, so I'll do that right
That's fine.
now. It'll
Yeah, it's
take
under
me a little while.
the quantitative inference procedures.
Okay.
And correlation coefficient. I'm looking for it.
Okay, so you already got your data, Garrett?
Yeah.
Cool. So correlation is R.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
0.901.
Yeah.
And what direction and strength? Wait, what is the direction and strength between weight and duration?
Yeah. So I don't know. Do you get that? Or because I feel like if you know it, you know it. But otherwise, I can show you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So that one is basically. I'm gonna try to show you my drawing really quickly because this is the only way I can make sense out of it. But
Okay.
I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it very well. We'll see. Let me know if it's super terrible. Okay. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So the top one, it's so you know how you have your y and your x-axis.
Hmm.
So if it's going from the top to the bottom, so then the direction is negative, this one.
Makes
Okay.
sense going down.
And then the other one, the direction is positive if it's starting from the other corner towards the axis.
Okay.
Okay, so that's how you like can tell the direction. And then as far as the strength goes, so if it's close to 0, it's weak. If it's close to -1 or 1, it's strong. And if it's in between, it's moderate.
All right.
So those are just the rules.
Sorry, so once I get the quantitative inference procedures page up, I go to linear regression.
Uh-huh.
And then there's 2 columns though, which are there 2 columns in the data? I don't see 2 columns in the oh, I do see. Okay, sorry, duration and
Yeah.
then weight. Got it. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, so based on this, so this one would be positive and it's past 1, so then strong.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, and I don't know what do you mean when well, it is that one. But so the reason why it's strong, it's because it's 0.901. So it's super close to 1.
Oh, the R value.
Yes.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
That helps. Thank you.
No, you're welcome. And then, where are we? What number are we on now? Oh yeah, there, 7. No, 8. Okay. So on these ones, maybe I can, I don't know.
Sorry. You said negative and strong? Or was it positive and strong? Positive. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still putting the data in.
No worries. Honestly, I really didn't like the picture that it comes up with because it doesn't look super, I guess it's linear. It's basically linear. It just looks really weird to me.
Yeah, mine's not super linear, but yeah, like you said, it's close.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have to match a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah.
So I just.
That is an awkward, weird scatter plot.
Yeah.
Okay.
How would you guys like to do these ones? Would you like me to just tell you, or do you guys want to try it and then I could tell you like you guys can try it and I'll tell you if you're right or wrong?
Yeah, I'll take a guess.
Yeah, that
Okay, good.
sounds good.
0.95, is that B?
So I shouldn't be
2, I guess.
0.95 is 2, yeah.
Okay.
So there's also a letter next to mine for some reason.
Yeah.
Mine too. I just never really realized I didn't think about it.
Yeah,
Good for you.
And then the next one, would that be 6?
What do you mean the next one?
Negative 0.6, is that... Wait, what? Yeah, is that 6?
Yeah, it is. Mine's just in a different order, but yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Oh. So I have 0, R equals 0. Would that be 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
It would be.
And then. Okay.
Okay, then.
Would 4 be R equals negative 1?
Yes.
Okay.
And 5, is that negative 0.95?
Yes. Those ones were super hard for me. That took me forever and a half.
And 1 is, sorry, R equals 1 is 1?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
All right.
So I'm missing 0.6.
Negative 0.6
Oh, yeah, you're right.
is 6.
Is 6?
Yeah, that's what you should have left, right?
No, I have negative 0.95. Did Garrett already say that one? I missed that one.
That's okay. Nothing's 5.
And that must be the only one left. Okay.
Good. Okay, good.
Thank you.
No, good.
Okay, so now we get to input other information, right?
True story. And I was just letting Garrett know earlier that for this one, the columns, I don't understand this and I don't know if I should write like the teacher a message, but I don't normally do that, so I don't want to. But I like how I don't have very much, I don't know, I just don't usually email my teachers, but with this one, I noticed that if you input the data in the same order as it populates, it's wrong. So you need to input, switch the order of them when you put them in for the X and the Y.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Because it's saying that the grade affects no, the other way around. I can't remember how it is. I'll look at it.
Okay.
It's thinking.
Does it matter that
What
it
are the
switches
two?
gender halfway down?
No, but
Okay.
it doesn't matter, but it does. What are the two variables, guys?
There's gender and score. Oh, no. There's score and confidence rating mean.
Yeah. So I guess
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember what I did for that. I don't remember. I just remember
So the
it's
first
like
half is all the female information, and the second half is all for males. Oh, so do you awkwardly
that
have
doesn't
to
matter.
put? No, that doesn't matter. Okay.
No,
So-
I'm just saying. Sorry, it's taking so long for it to load. Oh
Yeah,
my
so the
Lanta.
two that I see are score and confidence rating mean. So, yeah, I mean, it just depends on the way that the Excel thing is set up. It could totally be possible that putting it in the other order is better. Did it come up as correct that way?
She's
So
just
what you're
trying to
supposed to
remember
do?
what
Okay.
order she put it in, I think.
Yeah. So for the X, you put in. Oh, Lanta, where is it? In confidence rating mean.
The what?
The confidence rating.
Okay, so it's just the opposite of what you would naturally assume.
Yeah, but I couldn't explain that. But thanks for bearing with me.
That's okay. So you
And then the
tried
other
it. You tried it the other way first, and it just didn't work.
answer.
Okay. Huh. Yeah, that
She's
is
not
weird.
cool. So. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, cause trippy because there's nothing on it that will like.
Yeah, I was just checking that too. Yeah. Usually they say for X, use this, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, or it's just gonna be like I know, for example, in a paragraph, just the order that it reads things off in the paragraph. That's the order that you put it in.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely confusing. So you got the wrong answer, and so you just thought, well, maybe I'll switch the columns?
Yeah, because I know I got the other one right.
Oh, interesting. Yeah. Okay, so I input and I got R equals, is that what I want? I'm looking for R, right?
Mhm.
Okay, 0.728.
Yes.
Okay. So direction would be positive,
Mm-hmm.
and strength would be, would it be strong, right? Because it's fairly close to 1.
Yep.
Okay.
And remember, it can be close to -1 or 1. It's just still gonna be considered.
Oh, right, right. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, and that's the last question. Oh, yay.
Yay!
It's a
So if you guys want
short
to submit,
quiz.
make sure everything's good for y'all,
Okay.
Yeah,
or do
I
one
was
of you.
running. I just ran the numbers backwards, and like you said, it does give you. It actually gives you the opposite answer. Instead of
Yeah, it's I
point
don't get it.
0.7, it gives you 0.2, whatever. It gives you the difference.
Yeah, I
That's
don't
annoying.
understand. And I don't understand that either because I thought a correlation was just like the impact of both of those variables. I didn't really realize that it mattered the order. But
Yeah.
anyway.
I guess
Yeah, makes
then
sense.
we should study the definition of the explanatory variables and the response variable.
Yes,
Probably a
you're
good
right.
idea.
I didn't think
Then
of that, but yeah.
Versus response. I submitted and got 100%. Yay!
Yay.
Okay. Um,
Yeah, you're right. But I still actually remember reading that, and I'm like, wait, but the problem itself didn't hint at that, you know?
yeah,
yeah,
you're right.
definitely. Oh, joy. A few more weeks, right?
I know.
Woo, getting so close.
And
So
then it
Cheryl,
was
just oh, sorry, go ahead.
sorry, positive and weak was the last one.
No, positive
No.
and strong.
Okay.
Right? Wait. I don't have it up. Positive and strong, correct.
Okay.
Number 10. And you got 0.728 for number 9?
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool. I'm good.
Woohoo!
So Cheryl, just to catch you up, so Garrett and I agreed to get our data in by sometime tomorrow.
Okay.
And then we're gonna, I'm the second, I'm gonna do our paper, and it's due at 11 o'clock. So I promise I'll get it to you guys before then, so you guys can do a submission too if you need to. I don't know, like I can't be like super precise on time. I was telling Garrett I was gonna try
My
before 6
computer's
o'clock.
probably gonna die in like 2 seconds, just so you know.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Well, we'll get it
I'm just
before
gonna wrap
11.
her up.
Go
Yeah.
ahead.
And then the other part is that you're gonna do, I think it's due on the 9th. Your part of the assignment is the putting together the slideshow
PowerPoint, yeah.
data, because the slides are just what we've been putting in written form. So.
Okay, cool. Okay. All right, then we'll go
Yay.
over that next week, maybe?
Yeah.
I mean, we'll be texting and emailing and stuff with the data and the whatnot, but okay. Cool. Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay, good luck, y'all.
All right, you too. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.